Morning. 37 degrees outside, but it feels beautiful. Sun might be trying to pop up. It don't feel 37. I can tell you that. Grout. We're gonna get this grout in here today, because I know that this stuff is dry now. So we get the little spaces picked up, get the floor cleaned up, mix up some grout, get it in there. I gotta be quick with it. Only got one bucket. So I gotta get the grout down, go clean the bucket out real quick, get water in it, get ready to sponge it up. All right, let me get this thing prepped and ready to go, and I'll be right back. Got the floor all prepped. All the cracks are cleaned out. Yep. Vacuumed, ready for grout. And I'm gonna start with one bag. I already got it in here. And I'm gonna go out and mix that up. And then we'll get some grout on the floor. See what this bad boy's gonna look like. All right, be back in a minute. Got the grout in there. I mopped it, sponged it twice. I let that dry a little bit. Then I'll probably have to hit it another 3 or 4 times. That's the thing about tile. I'm sweating. Is you have to sponge it so many times. We used a mop down in Florida. We did my best friend's house. One of them like Swiffer mops. Worked pretty good. But I got such a small area there, you know, it'll come up pretty quick. All right, I'll be back in a minute. Still wet, but not looking too bad. I'm liking it. Looks pretty good. Okay. So, guess what I gotta do? Run into town. They were supposed to fill my propane tank like 2 days after they set it, and it's been over a week, so I gotta stop in there and find out what's going on. I gotta do some grocery shopping. I'm getting low on groceries. And I need to find a shower curtain for this. And I'm probably gonna have to weight it down on the inside. I don't know, I'll figure that out. So there's a few places in town that I need to run to. I probably ought to do that this morning. I need to pay a bill. Oh crap, what is today? It's the 3rd. I'm late. All right, forgot to pay a bill. Crap, oh well. So I don't know what time I'll be back, but when I get back, I'm gonna clean up because tomorrow I can get the toilet set, the vanity set, the sink put in there, everything hooked up. And then this weekend I can move in. I'm gonna like that. All right, I'll be back this afternoon sometime. 2:15. But picked up a curtain because the sun shines right in my eyes when I'm trying to edit. Picked up a recliner, put a sheet over it. The bathroom is looking good. Grout's all dry. Got a cheapo shower curtain there. Rug. Tomorrow, the toilet's going in. The vanity's going in. And I did a bunch of grocery shopping. And I need to clean up in here just a little bit. There's not a lot laying around. But I am getting close. I'm going to be moving in. Let's see, tomorrow's Friday? Yes, tomorrow's Friday. I'll get the vanity in there. I'll get the toilet in there. And maybe I'll go and put insulation in the furnace room and get that project done. I got to run some electric in there also. Might do that today. Maybe I'll get some electric in there first. Yeah, let's go downstairs and do that. All right, so my sister, she picked up 2 of these 1950 vanities. Look at this disaster. Oh my God, Saturday I'm going to the dump. I'm getting rid of that junk, and all this junk is going to the dump. But she picked up 2 of those for free. They're both broke. There's a smaller one right here, and what I did was I took it apart and I put some red cedar on it, ran it through the jointer, got it all nice and smooth, and I just screwed it from the inside, these boards on. So that's going to look pretty good. That's going to go in the bathroom. I got to get 2 pieces of mirror cut, and then I got to router a spot for them. This had 3 doors on it, like that one did. I'm just going to have 2 doors on it. I need to find some old antique, beat up, rusty hinges to put on here. So that was just a little project I was tinkering with last night. And of course I made a mess, but this stuff I think I'm going to keep. I think I'll throw it in a garbage bag because next spring I'm getting chickens. I'm going to get 2 or 3 egg layers. That's it. Or I'll just take it, put it out in the burn pit. Don't know. But anyways, so you can see this side. I have not burnt these yet, but I'm kind of digging that color. That's a red cedar. Somehow, I thought this was all white cedar, but some of these, like that's a red one. and some are white. So I think what I'm going to do, if it's red, I think I'm going to use that for all my trim, my baseboard, everything, and it'll look like this. I'm digging that. I'm actually digging the way it's got this little divot in it. All right, let's get in here and run some electricity. Enough jaw jacking. Get a light on in here. All right, so what I want to do is I'm going to put a switch in here for the lights and a plug in here. So I got to run 110 up over to this box. Then I got to run a switch leg out, so I'm going to put a light. Probably put one right here and one right there, and that should be plenty of light in here. Maybe at some point I have to put one here. I don't know. The washer and dryer is going to go in here somewhere. More than likely on that wall right there. And I did some research. You can actually, dishwashers, washing machines will pump water up 8 feet. So I got my sewer pipe right there that comes from the kitchen sink. If I could take this end cap off, move it down here, and then I can put some sort of T on it, I can have the water go in that. I have to figure that out. All right, let me get some wire right there and get running. All right, how far? Put it right in the center. 24, 22. Making a funny sound. Okay, there's one. That one I can't put up yet, so I'm using it for light. is it now? Who is it? Okay. That guy. Let's see. That. That. I got my drill. Crazy doing it that way. I got a cover somewhere. I've seen it. All right, moment of truth. Man, bright in here now. Liking it. Just gotta zip tie this cord up. So let me do that real quick. Yeah, that looks good. All right, so that's going to be it for today. Short day, like yesterday. But tomorrow, we'll get the toilet set, which is down here somewhere, and the vanity, which I started putting together the other day. Oh, here's the toilet. So, of course, it's dusty. So it's gray. It just it happened to, we bought that thing like 2 months ago, and that was just because it was on sale at Lowe's. It was only like 110 bucks for the vanity and the sink. So we'll get those two set tomorrow, and the bathroom will be done. Yes, done enough. All right, thanks for following along. Sorry, it's a short video today. Just had to run around in town and do a bunch of junk. So be right back here tomorrow morning. And we'll get this stuff going. See you, bye.